Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I'm Cryptokip, and today we got a crow coin pump. Crypto.com is flying up, and a lot of folks are wondering why. I'm going to give you my thoughts on why Crypto.com is up. Yes, 10% over the last week. We got a couple other stories we got to talk about, including the DOJ officially investigating DCG, one of the largest crypto companies on Earth. Yes, that is happening right now, as well as a further investigation into Binance and money laundering. We're going to talk about the impact of this on the crypto markets and what we see coming up in the year ahead. And a quick update for the loaded lions out there and what's going on with the land and how the community's feeling. We got to talk a little bit about all that. So if you guys like this kind of content, smash up the like button, subscribe to the channel. We're doing 4 videos every single day for you. And when we hit 10,000 subscribers on the channel, we're going to give away $1,000 worth of Bitcoin to one lucky subscriber. And guys, we are currently at 6,340 subscribers. So we're almost there. Make sure you subscribe. And when we hit 25,000 subscribers on the channel, we are now officially giving away a loaded lion valued at around $2,000, which is fantastic that we get a chance to do this for the community. A lot more giveaways to come. And if you do become a member on the channel, you will get an additional 10 entries towards this giveaway and more in the future. So make sure you take advantage of that. Guys, let's take a peek at these crypto markets. You got an $824 billion market cap. Crypto's coming up a little bit. It is a new month, and we are looking at a little bit of upward momentum. Bitcoin briefly went above $17,000 yesterday, which was fantastic to see. Ethereum tried to break above $1,300 yesterday. Bought a little bit more Ethereum myself yesterday, trying to continue on the dollar cost average strategy for ETH, Bitcoin, Crow, Binance, all these great coins that we love. A lot of great projects we could be buying. Really, we know that these are the best times historically to be buying crypto. Binance has a 5.9% pump over the last 7 days. Ripple pumping up, not so much right now. Dogecoin up about 2.3%, but Crow looking strong as ever at a 10.57% pump. We got a almost 6.2% Crow price, which is fantastic to see. And looking at this chart, guys, I really do feel like there is a opportunity here for more upward momentum. I mean, we've been in this bear market for so long. My partner Black Sea did a fantastic video early this morning getting into some of the TA technical analysis. You know what, guys? We do believe that Bitcoin has bottomed, and we look at these prices and we think, man, I mean, we are finally moving up. I think that once we get above some of this, I've been talking about this on the channel for a while now. I believe that a 12-cent level right about here, this is the fair value. This right here, what we saw, that's the FTX collapse. This, I believe, is the fair value for Crow, and we want to get back to that 12-cent level, which I believe we could get to hopefully very soon. That would be a 2x from here. Not so bad. Not so bad at all. So that's what we're looking for. But guys, I do want to give you guys an update on what's going on with the loaded lions and the Crypto.com land. We are unfortunate enough to have been able to get a blockchain land. I picked that up on the marketplace after I did mint 26 plots of land. But unfortunately, I did not mint a blockchain. So I actually put together some money and I bought one because I wanted at least one. Of course, I have a loaded lion and a cyber cub. Probably going to get some more in the future, but I'm very excited. A lot of the folks in the community have been waiting to see some updates on the land, and recently the Loaded Lions chat came out and they tweeted this out, which I thought was very interesting, and I want to share it with the community. The Loaded Lions NFT project is proud to be a part of such a vibrant and engaged community of Maine citizens. Which is great. And the Crow community is fantastic. Your support and participation is what drives us forward. Now, a lot of the people in the community didn't really like this. When you look at some of the tweets that come here, here's a perfect facial expression. We are wondering what comes next. We want to know what happens next. And they're not telling us, you know, what happened with the land sale, why was it clunky, and what's going to happen with the land and the actual metaverse when it launches, when game, right? So I actually tweeted out at them. I said, looking forward to hearing your January update on the metaverse, and we want to know your next move, when game. And it's really the question of questions, guys, because that's what the community really wants. But I will tell you this, folks. Shane, the mod in the Loaded Lions Discord, did come out, and he did say that they will be giving an announcement. They will be giving an announcement with specifics on what happened with the mint and what they're going to do about the issues moving forward and what's going to happen with the game sometime in January. So it will come this month, folks. And when that happens, I do believe there will be a pump on the loaded lines floor price, on the lands, and maybe even further pump action on CRO. Let me know what you guys think about that in the chat down below. Very curious what the community's thoughts are on that, but that's what I'm thinking. So we'll have to see what happens, guys. But that's my little update on loaded lines. Now for some big news in crypto overall. Crypto conglomerate DCG being investigated by the DOJ. Guys, this is very, very big. In case you're not familiar with Barry Silbert, he is the CEO of DCG, which, yeah, they own Grayscale, they own CoinDesk, they own part of Gemini, and the Genesis unit, which was a problem. And right now, they're trying to figure out how to make investors whole that are or lost their money in Genesis when they did actually halt all activity on that platform. And investors are sitting here wondering, where is my money? And meanwhile, the Winklevoss twins and Barry Silbert are just going back and forth and saying, you got to fix it. No, you got to fix it. No, you got to fix it. Now, really, Barry Silbert's just remaining quiet. But now the DOJ is getting involved, and they're actually wondering if, similar to FTX, Sam Bankman-Fried, and Alameda Research, they were actually commingling funds. People are starting to wonder if DCG was commingling funds between all the different entities that they own within crypto. And so this could be coming out, and this may cause more FTX fallout. But I'll tell you this, guys. The big boys in crypto do not want more fallout. They are propping up the price of crypto because we all know, first of all, that crypto's here to stay. But the people with a lot of money that own these companies, they're trying to keep the floor price strong on Bitcoin, strong on all these assets because they don't want more fallout. The more fallout, the more trouble. Honestly, guys, if Bitcoin goes back up to $30,000, all this stuff can get solved pretty simply. They just need more gains. And so fortunately for DCG and some of these other entities, these other exchanges that are having trouble right now, crypto is looking like it's about to move up. And if it does, I think that we can avoid some more fallout. So keep an eye out for that one. I want to keep you guys up to date with that. Another piece of news here, which is why maybe Binance, and remember, we just showed you, CRO's up 10% over the week. Binance is only up a couple percent over the week. CRO's looking good right now because Crypto.com ain't making bad headlines. Meanwhile, U.S. investigators subpoena hedge funds in Binance money laundering probe. Still accusing Binance of money laundering. We thought maybe once we found out that Binance joined a lobbying firm in the U.S., maybe the powers that be here in the U.S. would kind of lighten up on Binance, but they're still coming at it. And maybe, thinking about this, DCG and Barry Silbert own CoinDesk. Maybe they're trying to continue to FUD Binance because they're competition. Maybe there's something involved with that. And I'd be curious to see what the how Crypto.com and DCG and Binance kind of all cooperate with each other. Are they true competition, or are they moving forward to bring the industry forward together? I'll tell you this, though. I'm just excited to see that CRO is not making bad headlines like this. But these are some of the problems that people are concerned about in crypto. It's really all about regulation. And so what's interesting to see is the Thai SEC is doing better than the US SEC. The Thai SEC launched Crypto Academy to help digital asset investors. They're actually giving information on what they want to see. Thailand is saying, hey, here's what's okay, here's what's not okay. That's what we need from Gary Gensler and the SEC, but we're not getting that regulatory clarity from the SEC in the United States. And meanwhile, other countries are doing a much better job of regulating crypto, it seems. And it's very, very interesting to see. I really do believe that the reason the SEC and folks are flooding crypto in the US is because they're trying to buy the dip. Let me know what you guys think about that one in the chat down below. I thought that was a very interesting story today that I wanted to share with the crypto community. Very, very interesting indeed. So I wanted to share that with you guys. But looking at some of these other stories, I mean, that's pretty much it. So I want to kind of get some of that news out in front of you guys. I am looking at the price of CRO right now, and I am feeling pretty darn bullish. I got to be honest with you guys. I'm feeling pretty darn bullish, and I would like to see a fair value price for CRO back up to that 12 cent range. Do you think we can get a 2x in the next month or so? Let me know what you guys think in the chat down below. That is all I got for you guys today. Remember, check out our Loaded Lion giveaway. Follow us on Twitter. We are going to be doing more giveaways in the future. And just so you guys know, we did launch a Discord for members, which you got to check out. If you want to become a member and get access to this exclusive Discord, all you got to do is you got to go over in the link in the description down below. You can sign up to become a member. There are a lot more benefits to becoming a member, but in this private Discord, we will have trading signals. We will have NFT alpha. We will have a lot of great private chats where you can directly talk with myself and Black Sea. We're going to be very active in that platform, so make sure you don't miss out on that, guys. Thanks so much for tuning in. That's all I got for you today. My name's Cryptokip. This is the Crypto Report. Don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and as always, you got to remember to DCA, HODL, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks, everybody. Have a great night. I got 2 videos for you right here if you want to check them out. Peace.